Hi, and welcome to the second installment. I'd like to tell you a little bit about our progress from the TREEhouse, which again stands for Technology for the Responsible Use of Energy and the Environment. Like any renovation project, you really don't know what you're going to find in a home until you start tearing it apart. In this case, unfortunately, we found that there was asbestos in the property. Asbestos is something that can be common in many older homes. It could be in insulation. It could be in floor tiles that had asbestos in them as part of the manufacturing process, or in our case we actually found it in the plaster layer that was over the gyprock in this property. So we had to remove all the internal walls and external walls, and we're right down to the bare studs, and the ceilings have to be removed as well. So this delayed our project just a little bit, but the good side of it is that we now have a really good idea of what to expect of this property. We're right down to the bare bones, so it'll make the renovation side of it, or the construction part of it, much more easy. The next step really is to open this up to make an open plan living space or office space. We're going to get an engineer to give us some design on the type of beams that we need to support the roof structure. We want to make the most use of the natural resources of this property. If you're not aware of it, we're actually facing southwest here, so our intention is to remove a lot of these back windows and to replace them with larger windows. We've got windows that are just under 6 foot high and 3 feet wide. We intend to put 5 of these along the south wall of this property and to maximise the amount of solar gain that we can get from the sun. Having an open plan office space will also give us the benefit of having a lot of natural light, so we'll reduce the amount of artificial light that we'll have to use in this space, and of course maximise the amount of heat gain that we get during the winter months for the solar gain. So our next step is to get beams designed to support the ceiling, to replace these south windows with much larger windows so we can maximise our solar gain. We also are going to take advantage of a company in Dartmouth, Nova Scotia. They're called Green Power Labs, and they offer solar designs for passive or active solar systems. So they're going to do a design for us so we can actually see how much energy we hope to get from the sun just by having larger windows in the south-facing side. So hopefully in our next installment, when you tune back in, we'll have beams installed here, and we'll have some windows going in the south side of the building. Thank you.